Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to read an image using Matplotib library. So basically, we will have a JPG, PNG, or any type of image, and we have to read it using Matplotib library. So let's do it. Okay, so first we will import library. So import library. So we will import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So this is like used for plotting, and then we will also import matplotlib dot mpemg as mp image. Okay, so there are two libraries to read and plot image. This is for reading image. Now read your image. So read image. For that type, here a variable, here a user defined keyword image equal to mp image dot image read, and pass your file name. So in a string, pass your file name and dot extension. Okay, so let's and your extension. So in my case, I have a file name called galaxy.webp. Okay, so this will like your file name and format. Now type plt.image_show and pass your image variable. Now run it. So run it. Okay, so what is mistake? Matplotib mpmg. So there should be image, not mp. There should be image. Okay, now it's fine. So you can now see that your image of a Galaxy Web P has been read using Matplotib. So this way you can read your image using simple Matplotib code of 3 or 4 lines. You can also check here what is your image. So basically image is your it's an array. It's a 2D array, and like these are like RGB color code images. So this way you can read an image using Matplotib. So I hope you got the idea that how to read an image using Matplotib and mp image. So thank you.